Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I was getting ready to do my birthday nails on this hand and I had some trouble with the stickers, so I'm going to mix it up and do something different on this hand because why not? I was practicing and I managed to get I don't know what you call it, side by side, vertical ombre, and I want to just share that with you when I finish up my thumb. Currently I've got Modelones. They're premium nail gel. I've got Passage on 2 fingers and the side of this, and I've got Flowers on the other finger and the side of this, and I'm going to do the same with Flowers and Passage. So what I'm finding is it takes 2 coats, and I'm going to do some stamping at the end of this. I'm putting down the dark color first. Anybody knows which way you really should be doing this? Let me know in the comments. Now I'm putting flowers. Try not to mix them on my brush so I don't have to wipe my brush off. This is my first ever. Well, this was my first ever. This is my first ever on film. I just tickled it down the middle. Try not to get any air bubbles. If you get any air bubbles, just pop them out. Got something in there I gotta get out. Okay, I'm gonna give this a cure for 30 seconds. Okay, I'm going to repeat the steps again. Oops, way too much on there. Really covered it in one coat. I just want extra protection for chips. And make sure that I ombreed it out really good. That was Passage and Flowers. I got this in the Rondi's Life collection for Modelones. Remember, my name is a 10% discount code if you're interested in any of their products. They've got so much stuff there now. Gems, you name it, pretty much they have it. I don't even know how to describe how much the website has grown. Tease them together again. I'm assuming you can do this with regular nail polish. I don't know. I never tried it before. I flipped my brush over, so I got a little bit of the light over there, but that's okay because of what I'm going to do next. So I'm going to give this a cure. And while Modelones does have stamping polishes now, and stampers, I think since it's a special occasion, and I already did shiny metallic on this hand, I'm going to do that on this hand. But just to make sure my Moyra Magic Foils don't stick, because this is gel polish, it can be sticky. I'm just wiping it with alcohol, just pure alcohol. Because I didn't put any top coat on. If you've already put top coat on, you're already good to go. Stuff here. I've got my Moyra. This is stamping polish. I've got one of my favorite plates here. And I'm just going to take some of the little birdie images with my Born Pretty stamper. I may use my Modelones stamper, I'm not sure. I like them both a lot. And I've got my gold magic foil out, ready to go. Learned last time it's a quick process, so we need to go, go, go. Wasn't the best image for that. Let me try a different image. Maybe this one. Or this one. Oh, I don't know. I like them all. I'll try this. Maybe I'll just do a variety of images. We can do that. Everyone's got a different way of cleaning off their stamper head. For me, it's just good old-fashioned tape. Let's see. Ooh, I'm going to use part of this image on this nail. It just came out in such a cool way. Foil, foil, foil. That's just a cool look. Oh, I wish I'd have got that. And you can just clean this off your skin. I might try that again. Add a little bit more. See if I can get it to transfer. I've only done this one other time. Ooh, I like that look. And all I did was, I don't know what I did. I used what was left over for my second nail. I like that more. Ooh. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, let's see what else we can discover. I'm liking the frilly little images. Let me try this one right here. I'm gonna do something weird. I took my knuckle and took off part of the image that I wanted. Just wiped it off on here. Just remove that. Wash it with water after you're done. That's a cool look in and of itself. But I'm not really matching up very good, am I? Like that. I like it. It's kind of the image, kind of not the image. I like that. Who wants 100% perfection? I think this is a... Well, now I should do that one over again. That was... a partial image on this one, or just a little image. Let's see. A little bird. Pretty little bird. Just get the little bird. I don't even want to put the foil on it, but to make a match, let's put the foil on it. I didn't wipe off the gel polish good enough. That's what my problem's been, but I kind of like it. I think since I goofed up on my foil so much, I've got a lot of cleanup to do. So stay tuned after the video for pictures after I've cleaned up all my skin and pictures of this hand. I want to put down Shiny Snowflake just because I am a glittery kind of girl. Put Shiny Snowflake on top. We need to give that a cure for 30 seconds and top coat this in. I really am liking this look. It's different, it's cool, it's got some hollow in it now. Stay tuned to the end of the video for the review pictures after I get us all cleaned up with my stamping mess. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.